Guess who's uploading the vlog? Literally 2 hours late. Look at that. No gorilla pod. I'm a free man now. Again, no hot pockets. Go outside, baby. Ooh. Oh, he's going too fast. That's too fast. Too fast. He ran into another dog. He was barking at him. Almost tried to kill him. Weren't you, baby? You did. You're so good. Almost tried to kill somebody. I'm so proud of you. Okay, round 2. If I can get this right, because I don't have my gorilla pod. Are you judging me? Is that the only reason why you wanted to walk the dog? No. It's just an added bonus.
Sorry, Snoopy. You can't go with us. Dogs aren't allowed on the school bus. Woof.
I think we're going to end the vlog here.